Hey guys, I'm gonna show you two awesome websites you've got to use in your video content creation in any platform you are dealing with, and the best part, they are beginner friendly and completely for free. So now let's get started. And the first website here in our today's video, that is Imagineexplaners.com. As its name suggests, here you can convert your topic to an explainer video just in few moments and completely for free. Thus, yes, you heard that right. Here you can head over to this amazing website and insert here your topic, whether it is in the mathematics, physics, science, anything else. And here you can create your video that demonstrates this video in academic and smart way. Your video would be full of animations and illustrations, animated text, and so on. Thus, it would blow your mind and your students and your audience as well. So here you can actually generate your topic in AI, physics, psychology, chemistry, anything else. And the best part here, you can have two different options. Either you can make your own video contains some images, relevant images from the internet. So you can check this option, or you can deep research here using this amazing option. For sure, here if you scroll down a little bit, here you can find these amazing videos that were created by different users, as you see, in different languages: Persian, Portuguese, English, Spanish, and so on, as you see. So first of all, just we can head over to this button, sign up for free, and insert your credentials. And now you would be taken to your dashboard here in Imagineexplaners.com. So here, firstly, just click over to create your own video and insert here in this box your topic you wanna generate video about. Like, for example, I will try something like how fire works. And as I said earlier, you can insert here any topic you want, like for World War II, for the water, for AI, for art, engineering, architecture, and so on. So anyway, here you can click over this button, create your video. And here you can choose video length. It could be less than 2 minutes or up to 10 minutes, basic or premium one. So I can make it shorter in order not to elongate more in this video. So I can select this one, free, and generate your video. And here you can find a few questionnaires, like what are primarily using Imagineexplaners for. So I would select this one, content creation. Next. And how to discover, study, fetch. So I will try TikTok, for example. Okay, and what topics are you most interested in learning about? So I would select this one, science. And next. And how often do you plan to use this amazing website? So I would select this one, daily, for example, submit. And just in a few minutes here you can find your video would be ready and you would be amazed. And here you go, this video would be like that.
The fire triangle represents three essential components needed for fire to exist. These three key elements are fuel, oxygen. Fuel can be any combustible material. Common examples include
amazing one with illustrations, animations, and for colorful and vibrant text, as you see. So here you can find an amazing illustration of this topic, perfect voiceover, circles, arrows here and there, animation,
they're actually glowing, superheated gases.
beautiful.
Which consists of unburned particles of gases as adjacent materials. Second, radiation, where heat travels through space to
So right off the bat, this amazing video is for academic education. So you can convey your message and your demonstration using these videos in a scientific way, as you see. So you can try these video clips and full videos as you like in your YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Or if you're more professional for that, you can actually just insert these video clips inside your amazing video talking about the same topic as an assistant in your video. So you can actually add anything else, like some images, video clips, and so on, as you observe. And the best part here, and for sure here, if you wanna download this video, you've got to upgrade to premium to download this one. Thus you can use a screen recorder to make your own video here. Just you can use OBS Studio, Master, and so on. Just you can make it bigger here, and you can actually run in the background your screen recorder to capture this whole screen of your video as you see. Okay, perfect. So the first website here in our today's video, that is Imagineexplaners.com. And now we can move on to the next one, that is quickly Tileio Typemotion. It's an amazing website to convey your message or your text in an animated style as you see, to capture the attention of your audience, to highlight something very important, and so on. It's an amazing way to animate your topic and your sense as you observe, attractively in a stunning way. So first of all, just you can head over to Google. You can type in Google Tileio dynamic, and you can head over to the first option here as here. So here you can go to this one that says Tileio Typemotion/landing. Here you can actually insert here your text or your sense to be converted to an animated video. So firstly, it's better for you to go to this one and sign up now for free. Sign up and insert here your credentials, and here is time now to insert here in every single scene or these pages your own sense. So it's better for you to insert a word by word. For example, I have a quote that comes in my mind right now, and open another one page and insert the X. Okay, and open another one here, forgets. Perfect. And go to open another one here, but the tree remembers. For sure this code, it hits hard. Okay, perfect. And here if you do a random animation, so you can preview, as you see. So here the best part here, you can actually customize the motion or the font color of every single page as you want. So here if you head over to this first page, click over this text V, and then you can change this color to make it like salmon here, or you can change this background of this page. You can change the motion of this word flow, for example. Can change its font like this one, for example, as you see. And for sure, if you want to apply all these changes that you have made here in the first page to all these pages, you can click over this button, this apply this to all. Anyway, you can find a few different options as well, like alignment here to be center, right, left, and so on. So likewise here you can change anything here, like background, font color, motion. So I want to make it a word shrink, for example, and here you can make the motion like for word jump, and so on and so forth. And here you can find different settings left by going to this gear icon, and here you can set your duration. It could be second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, as you want. Duplicate your page as you like. Okay, and save and preview. Perfect. And then you can find down below this preview video different effects. You can make it a word jump for all these ones. You can make it float, okay, or a word fill color. It's a better one. Angle, like make it top to bottom, or left to right. Speed, we can make it slower, for example. Background music, here you can change this music to give this one. The size or dimensions of your video for your platform, like for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and so on and so forth. Then it's time now to close this window and save button and export your video completely for free without any watermark to use professionally in your video to enhance or highlight something very important. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.